Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to see how to use the Intersect tool to measure a liquid mass in a close vase. We have here a nice vase and a surface that indicates the level of the water in the vase. Let's open the Intersect feature. You can intersect solids, surfaces, or planes to modify existing geometry, or to create new geometry with the Intersect tool. We can create regions that intersect each other, internal region from a closed volume, or both. Let's select our vase and water surface. Select internal regions only and hit the Intersect. We got a new volume called Region 1 that we want to keep. Make sure that Merge Results and Consume Surfaces is not checked and hit the OK mark. Let's see what solid bodies we now have. Intersect 1 is our water volume. And Intersect 2 is our vase. Let's add a material to our water body. Now, let's go to Evaluate and see the mass properties for the water. We can see that if we fill the vase with water at 20 centimeters height, we get the volume of more than 3 liters. Let's see how we can minimize this volume. Let's suppress the Intersect feature and select the top plane. By holding the Control key, we can drag the top plane and create another parallel plane. Let's give it 5 centimeters distance. Now we can unsuppress the Intersect feature and edit it. We want to add our new plane to the game, so we click on the selections and select the new plane. Now, we select the both option and let's intersect it. We got regions 1, 2 and 5, that are all about the vase, no problem. But what we really want are regions 3 and 4. Let's select them, hit the invert selection so only they stay and hit OK. No, we got the same water body, but the second body is not the vase, but let's say some sort of gravel. Let's check the water volume now. We can see that we now got less than 3 liters of water. We can continue changing the gravel height to optimize our water volume. But also, keep in mind that we have the gravel that keep adding weight to our precious vase. That is it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS new features and great tips.